gotta do it. I gotta run. Oh, but you're gonna go back to school. No, not the blue.
Elise! Yay! You little bro! Yo, I dare you to jump off of here! I dare you to jump off of here! Jump off! You dummy!
Hey, yo, dude, you wanna do a stick fight? Okay. Here, come here. Let's go. Wait, let me get my sticks out. I always keep 2 sticks prepared in my backpack. So, look it. I'll stand on this square. I'll stand on this square, and you stand on this square. Okay, ready? Let go.
Oh, he's so dumb. And he's dead too. What? I didn't do it! No! Oh, chill! I'm really in the mood for Taco Bell. Taco Bell! Hello. Can I get a burrito and some baked beans on the side, please? Thank you.
Have a nice day.
What the heck? Is that your little buddy? Oh, I'm already full.
Yeah.
Oh my
Hello.
god. What'd you guys do to this?
Haha, you're small.
Hey, Jimmy. Wow. Who cares about that? Don't want that anyways. Let me go to the microphone. Hello? No, not working. I forgot about the backpack. Let me bring it over here. Let me empty this out and soon. I really don't need anything. Alright, goodbye.
Yeah, I'm ready. Here. Okay. Go. Skipper, get. Hey. Oh, this stick is so cool. I love to like do that, and then sometimes I like to wait. Who's that? Whatever. I like to sometimes lean it right here. You know what? Forget. I'm going towards him. Let's see this. Ooh, a block of cheese. I like cheese. I sure don't mind it. Oh frick. Wait, no. Never mind. Never mind.
Yo, bro! Jump off there right now.
Okay,
I dare
bet. Cannonball!
Wait, no! Wait, he just actually jumped. Is he okay?
It's good